Good morning from Guernsey.
We're here, but should we have come?
Definitely. It is beautiful. The sun cream is on.
They keep calling pink tickets to the tender. We don't know what that's about.
Yeah, we're not sure if we should get a ticket, if it's like the deli at Tesco's, really, but...
So we'll find out in a minute.
Yep.
On our way down.
It's just picture perfect here
Beautiful today.
So we think, well, you want to go and find some World War II stuff.
There's got to be some museums or forts or
well, it's
castles.
because Guernsey was occupied during World War II. So.
We'll see what we can see, really.
Yeah.
Playing it by ear.
Go for the history today.
Get a magnet, then we're sorted.
Obviously.
Right, we'll see you in a bit.
So we're in the bar already.
Yeah.
No, we're not drinking.
Day drinking.
So it turns out you need to come to the bar, Anderson's, and grab 2 tickets, literally like the deli at Tesco's, and wait for your numbers to be called to get on the tenders.
Yeah, we didn't know that.
No, we couldn't find any information that was put in the cabin, so I don't know where we missed that, but oh well, we know now.
Season cruisers.
Well, I'm sure it's different on every line for tendering, but this is our first time doing it, so...
So we've got about half an hour, so
we're going to sit and chill.
Sit and booze.
Also gives you a chance to have yet another week before we get off. Just saying.
Rude. Step across the shark. Oh no!
Just mind your step, yeah. Watch your trips, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, you get on the big one. Anywhere in the middle, because it's not sunny. Yeah, do you want to move all the way along? You're on the tender.
That was easy. We waited about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
That was it.
A bit close, wasn't it? On the tender, on the roof of the ship. And there's the Aurora behind me. Our cabin is up there somewhere. What a beautiful view today. we've landed. We're off the tender and we're just going to have a look around the town now. As you can see, the harbour area. We're going to check out the town and then we're going to go and visit a few of the museum-y bits, aren't we?
Yeah.
Blue post boxes in Guernsey. What a scene that is. You can be in it. Oh, let's walk up there, Mrs. B. That looks really cute. Actually, it's like being at home in Lewis.
It's like Lewis across the
Yeah, Keir Street. Got an M&S though, that's good.
It's just very pretty.
Also got recycling boxes as well.
Everywhere.
It's very clean, lovely. The bunting's out for the Broadways.
They knew we were coming.
Yeah, it's bunting time. Celebrate good times. Tutankhamun mask, anyone? Can I have it?
Why are you being weird?
Yeah, it's got military cups.
They're not military.
Oh, royal cups.
They are
Nigerian notes.
the coronation tat. It's been happening for years.
This looks like the centre. Uphill or downhill, Mrs. B?
Up.
This is the War Memorial. The Great War, Second World War, and the Falklands War. Lots of names from Guernsey by the looks of it, so they played their part. Darth Vapor. That's pretty. Definitely a pippa shop, look at that, pretty in pink. Comes the Dotto train. Wave to the Dotto people. Unusual roundabout livery here, there's a crow's nest on a roundabout. Oh, yet another Dotto train.
Probably the same one.
We're going around in circles, aren't we?
I don't know where we're going.
This is the Tourist Information Centre. In which there are toilets if you need them. I'll show you the outside in a minute. Guernsey Tourist Information Centre, so it's very big inside. Public loos, really good.
Free loos, very clean.
Don't know what's going on here though. Yeah. Magnet secured.
Yes.
In the Guernsey shop.
In the pack. Yes, £3.30, so not too bad, but we'll show you later in the probably one item haul.
Well, you never know.
It's very, very pretty here.
Yeah.
It's very relaxing.
Cobbled streets and narrow shopping
A lot of
centres.
all the high street shops, so if you were needing anything,
Yeah.
just got to grab it here, really.
There's a Costa.
We didn't go in it.
No Starbucks. Ooh.
Well, I knew that anyway.
So we're going to head on across here and down the coast to the museum.
We'll tell the lovely people what the museum is, though.
Can't remember. It's a war museum, I think. Before we head out and have a look at the fort.
Yes.
So join us at the museum, hopefully.
Of something.
Yeah, there's a sea pool down by the harbour wall.
That's great.
It's protected from the well, it's actually coming over the top of it, so how cool is that? found it. Let's go and have a look.
It's a short walk. What was it? 15 minutes?
Yeah. Get your medals here. Thanks a lot, coins. Obviously worthless now.
I doubt we'd be having a field day in here.
Sure he will. Lots of great stuff in there. Stick grenades.
It's all just very sobering,
The
isn't
size of that mine. Jesus. Scary, isn't it? Even more scary are these. Yeah, see the eagle on there? That eagle, when I was in Rome, I bought a t-shirt with the Roman eagle on it.
Because it was a Roman
And
standard.
the Nazis kind of stole it from the Romans. They used it as their insignia, so I haven't worn it since. Like,
No, because it would just be deemed inappropriate, unfortunately.
It looks Nazi, so.
It really did, even though it was nothing to do with the Nazis, but
No.
yeah.
Oh, these were the Nazi and German medals and pins that they got awarded. Hats, helmets, bayonets, knives. It's all very sobering, isn't it, Mrs. B?
Yes, we must never forget how
No.
awful human beings can be to each other.
Exactly. Look at these slave workers' shoes.
Oh, they're horrific.
Just wood with bits of satin.
Bit of cloth, yeah.
Hideous.
Oh,
The good guys turned up eventually. Nice metal detector, mate. That's a lot of loot. Victorian Army period clothes. Uniforms, not clothes. I say, chaps, tally ho. It's a mock-up of a World War I trench. It's frightening, really. Whatever you do, don't release your pigeons. Dear oh dear. It's a regiment insignia here. Any of your ancestors fight with these units? German pistols. World War II British Army. Nice hat. Gas masks they used. Mustard gas. World War I rifles. That's a World War II sniper rifle. Go on, Churchill. What a man. Yeah, I recommend this museum. Really good. So much stuff. Don't think there's anything in here that you're not going to see if you're planning to see a artifact you want to see.
No, not at all.
Even they've got Japanese stuff in there. For the Blackadder fans, join the 20 Minuters. Just come out of the museum, which is there, which is really dark and cold, to this wonderful picturesque landscape. We're heading over to the fort in a minute. Wonderful. Yeah, so we're at the museum. Very sobering.
Yep, but an excellent collection.
Yeah.
If you're into militaria or
Anything like that.
Yeah, that sort of thing.
Visit this place because they've got everything in there.
Of everything that was to do with the occupation here.
Yeah.
It was £7.50 each to get in,
Not bad. Good value, I think.
but the amount they've got in there is crazy. I'm just so sad my dad isn't here with me. He would really
He'd
have found
love
that
it, yeah.
fantastic.
Yeah, so Terry, get your ass down here and have a look in this museum. Anyway, we're heading to the fort.
And I feel an ice cream is in need because if you're on Guernsey, you need proper Guernsey ice cream, don't you?
All right, let's find an
Well,
ice
I
cream.
do anyway.
You're paying. We got sea shimmer. I love a bit of sea shimmer. Sparkling. That's where we were before, over there. So we walked all the way round and onto this walkway leading up to the fort. We have ice cream.
Proper Guernsey chocolate ice cream.
Go on
With
then.
a flake.
Mrs. B, have a try.
Oh, no.
Just going in. Is it creamy?
Nice creamy. That's good.
I'm going in as well. Can you hold my pot? Cool.
Oh, come on. Nice.
Quality.
Approved.
There's the ice cream. Get some of that.
That was £6 something for both of them.
It's a proper fortress, this, isn't it? With a natural seawater moat.
Take a picture of them.
Yeah. Yeah, I found the massive anchors. I told you they're everywhere.
You always find one, don't you?
Yeah. An imposing sight, this fort. Isn't it?
A weeble.
Shut up. I'm doing proper footage here.
I just called Peter Weeble
Why?
because he's got no core strength and wobbles a lot.
That's what I have to put up with, viewers. This constant abuse.
You admitted last night you were punching.
Lighthouse. Bad wife. Lighthouse.
Divorce me then.
Can't afford it. I want to keep all my Lego.
You can have it.
Very nautical sound.
Sea shanty-ish.
Yeah.
Do a bit of stomping. I know what I'm talking about.
Coming in fast. And we're back. The obligatory magnet.
One item haul. Oh, hang on, my finger's in the way for words. There we go.
Yeah.
It's got the coast and the church and the boats and whatnot on it. That's £3. Oh, it says on the back, but I think it was £3.30.
Yeah, we got that in the Guernsey shop, but you can get them in the information centre as well.
Yeah, that's all we needed. That's all we
Yeah.
wanted. Wasn't a massive shopping opportunity for us. It was more see the
No.
sights and just take it all in.
Enjoyed the museum, had a good wander around.
Weather was just so lovely. It's not
Beautiful.
crazy hot. There's a nice breeze. It's just blue sky and it's all reflecting on the water and it just looks so pretty.
Been really lucky with the weather.
Really have.
We kind of bring it with us, don't we? It's good.
We appear to.
So we're off to day drink. That means I'm going to be smashed.
No, it means we just need to use up the last bit of the credit.
Yes, and we're off to the Crow's Nest, so join us there. Mrs. B's going to go for a cocktail.
Yes, which one? Which one? I might have to go for a vanilla and salted caramel espresso martini.
You like them, don't you?
Alcohol and caffeine, what's not to like? And you will be having?
What beers they got?
Just says... Ready?
I've gone for my usual Moretti. Lunchtime drinking. Pip really recommends it.
It is if you want your husband to be in a coma in about 20 minutes time.
Whatever. Nice view from the Crow's Nest. There we go. It's better look at me, isn't it?
The dirty window.
Have our drinks. Mrs. P's looks particularly snazzy, doesn't it?
Well, I won't pick it up because I'll probably spill it, so Pete shows. Vanilla and salted caramel espresso martini. Oh, and a handbag in the background.
Beer for me. Cheers, everyone. We've had a good trip.
We've had a lovely holiday. Oh, I don't want to spill.
Cheers.
If only I could have one of those at work instead of a coffee.
Yeah. Well, we've had a lovely trip. This just rounds it off nicely.
Yep. Delish.
Ooh, Moretti. Could be one of my new favourites, I think.
I was going to say, you've been forced to have it instead of Peroni.
Yeah. Quite similar, though.
You've had one nearly every day, haven't you?
Yeah. And so next time you see me, I'll be very googly-eyed.
Or asleep.
Yes. So it's curry night in the buffet. So I've gone and grabbed what I could. Busy, busy, busy. I'll show you what I got. It says beef biryani, chicken tikka masala, some rice. That's a sag aloo cake. Got a bit of bread to mop up this. And that is tofu sweet and sour or something from the allergy section. So I thought I'd try it. It's a mango chutney. Of course, number one. What did you grab, Mrs. B, from the buffet?
To start with, I'm having some tomato and mozzarella gnocchi.
Yeah.
And it was some tofu that I've just eaten and some rice noodles.
Yeah, I grabbed a bit of that as well.
I'm going back up because Pete says the chicken tikka masala is very good.
Yeah, really good. Round 2. Because I'm such a pig. Plus jelly, wobbly jelly, and an eclair. Sorted. Mrs. B has got sweet potato fries.
With chicken tikka masala, because I can.
Didn't you get any mango chutney?
No. I'm alright.
Just slacking. Oh, that was a good meal, wasn't it, Mrs. B?
Really good.
Yeah, good curry selection. Yeah, sweet potato fries, they were good, weren't they?
Much better than we've ever had in a restaurant back at home, like TGI's or something like that. Really
Yeah.
nice.
So
Very
we
pleasantly
both
surprised.
fluck now.
The buffet every night seems to have some sort of theme. Like
Yeah.
there's been a British night, there was a Portuguese night when we were there, and it's tandoori night tonight.
That's why I've got jelly and eclair.
And I need to go and
Not Jenny eclair, Jenny jelly and
I
eclair.
need to decide on my pudding. I don't know what to have yet.
She'll get the eclair. You know, to get the eclair.
So Pete has regressed to infant school level and is having jelly. And what flavour is that? Nuclear green colour?
Gamma radiation flavour.
Is it? Which tastes like...
Hulk's underpants.
Oh my days. What does it taste like?
Strawberry?
Your sense of taste is worse than your sense
No,
of
it's
smell.
lime.
It is lime, okay. Citrus of something. That is gruesome colour though. We have a close up on that. Yeah, I'm not going to have that.
Jurassic Park.
At sea. And what flavour is the eclair?
Don't know, coffee or caramel or something. I don't know.
See what I have to deal with, viewers.
I love it when I'm right. What did I say? Pip, you get the eclair? You watch this.
It was this, jelly, or
Carrot cake.
carrot cake, or French brownie, and I didn't actually fancy French brownie tonight.
And that's lemon drizzle, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, good selection. Well, we just spent the last bit of our credit on a Snickers.
And a Twix.
Got to use it up.
And yes.
Lose it or use it.
Just having a final jiggle around the pond deck.
Yeah.
Yes, so that was £2. That's what we have left in our account for P&O. You are very welcome, P&O. 90 pence. That's the biggest tip we've left them, isn't it?
Yeah, a whole 90p.
Yep, we'll see what we can do on the next cruise.
Yes, I'm getting over.
I meant P&O.
Onwards.
Yes. Why are you being weird? Morning.
Sad times.
It's the time to get off the ship. But last night, I went to see the final show in the theatre, which was called Applause. And it was the Headliners Theatre Company, the 13 boys and girls singing and dancing, doing everything from musicals. So I went on my own because this one's not that keen.
I read my book.
I have to say that show was phenomenal. It was the best show of the week. They are incredible. So if you're on Aurora and you get a chance to see it, amazing show. Standing ovation at the end.
Broadway stuff, wasn't it?
Yeah, Broadway, West End, stuff like that. Yeah,
Can't be a bit of Broadway.
They nearly got me up there.
Did they?
But yeah, fantastic.
So we were up, ready, had some brekkie.
We're back safely at Southampton. The sun is shining.
Cases are packed. We're disembarking ourselves today.
Yes, it's a case of you don't put your suitcases outside your cabin the night before. You lump it all off yourself, but you can get off whenever you like.
Yeah.
So you have to vacate your cabin by 8 o'clock. It's currently
About
no
7.
idea.
It's about 7.
And we are just going to go for it.
Yep.
Otherwise, if you don't, you get a bit of paper put outside your cabin the night before, and as was going to tell us, we had to meet at Carmen's, one of the bars, and we would be getting off between 9:30 and 10. But we want to get off a bit earlier and hit the road. And a lot of people do that if you've got places to go, work to get to, stuff like that. So, yep. But you're all given the information, or you can do it yourself.
Right, so we're going to try it and we'll let you know how it goes.
And we're hoping it's easy to find the car because the car park is literally
We can see it
opposite
from
us.
here. We can see the signs guiding us to CPS. So hopefully that should be good. See you in a bit.
See you back on land.
And with that, we're at the car. There's Legolas.
That was so easy. Really easy to take our own luggage off.
I reckon if you've got 2 large, 2 small cases, and you can get off yourself,
Do it.
and you're quite fit and able, do that.
But and you can see, I think we said in the first vlog that we use CPS parking.
Yeah.
It is more expensive than the others, but it's the official one, if you like. But you can see how close the car is to the
Yeah.
ship. We literally walked straight off and we're here. It's so easy.
Yep.
So you kind of get what you pay for, I suppose.
Brilliant. So,
If you are thinking about it, you have to book. I would advise
Book early.
booking CPS the moment you've booked the cruise because it gets full.
and it's pricey, but you pay what you get. You get what you pay for, and that's
Just said that.
simple.
Yeah,
isn't it?
really, really simple and easy. All
It's
right,
so good we repeated it.
we are going to see you back at home.
See you there.
Just press
See
stop
you there.
recording.
We're home.
We're back.
Made good time.
2 hours.
That's a record.
That
isn't it?
really is a record.
And we stopped for a couple of bits of provisions, didn't we?
Yes,
So
bread and milk.
got to have my tea.
Well, yes, someone was going to get grumpy if he didn't get tea.
I haven't had a cup of tea today because I didn't want to be busting for a wee all the way home.
Well, all that remains is to say thank you so much for joining us on our trip.
Yeah.
We had a lovely cruise. It was one of those weird ones that felt like we were on the ship for ages,
Yeah.
but it felt like now we're home, it feels like it's gone really quick. I'm sure we all feel like that about trips sometimes.
We enjoyed the locations.
Yes, I think
Some
Porto
more
was
than
our
others.
favourite,
Yeah, definitely Porto.
and Guernsey was lovely. But now,
They're such big places, you need more time
oh yeah, definitely. But
than a
now,
few hours off a ship.
what's next? I hear you cry.
Pip, what's next?
Disney!
A two-pronged Disney attack
Yes.
from us.
We will be doing one night at Disney World, but then the very next day, getting on the Disney Wish.
Yeah.
Will be our first time sailing on her. She's still a new ship. She's been in service for about a year or so, but we obviously haven't been on her yet.
It's just a 3-nighter
Yeah.
taster, but we get to go to Castaway Key.
And Nassau, which we'll probably pop on, get the free Wi-Fi at Starbucks and get back on the ship.
Yeah.
But because we want to enjoy the Wish. She's such a big ship and 3 nights isn't a very long cruise, obviously. But yeah, and we want to show you all that. Then we're going to be back at Walt Disney World for 11 nights.
Yeah.
We're not going to vlog every day like we have in the past because essentially we're vlogging the same thing. Really.
Yeah, we're going to pick and choose.
We're going to do
vlog.
bits and pieces. We are going to do some Disney vlogging, but it won't be day 1, day 2, day 3. We're not quite sure yet how that'll form.
We just work it out as we go along, I think.
But
We're still going to do some.
there'll be some, but not as much as we would normally do.
Yeah. And with that, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Please like, please subscribe. We've got other cruises on the channel. Go trawl through the back catalogue if you feel like seeing our mugs a bit more.
Yeah.
There's Disney trips and cruises on there, and a vast array of home vlogs that we did during lockdown to keep ourselves amused. They might give you a giggle.
Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please like, please subscribe.
Please comment, follow us on all the other socials and bits and pieces.
Tell your friends.
And we will see you very, very soon.
Yep, see you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Oh. Well, thank you very much for watching.
Please like, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed that video, why not check out this one here?
And we also have some playlists, and here's one here. We'll see you there.
Bye.